Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tarot with Donna. So, today, let's see what's coming in your career in the next 6 months. And this is a two-pile tarot reading, so you can pick the pile that resonates with you most. This is pile number one, and this is pile number two. Take your time, breathe. I hope you have chosen the pile. Ready? Let's get started. So, let's talk about the first pile. Pile 1, I'm really excited because the cards are showing some serious growth and positive momentum in your career over the next 6 months. We have the Magician, the Emperor, the Ten of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Fool. With Magician, I can say that in the next 6 months you will have all the tools that you need to create success in your career. If earlier you were not provided with the tools, now you will be having. Many of you will be getting the promotions as well. Okay. You might be taking a new role, you might be starting a new project or a business, and this is the time to trust your abilities and make things happen. Manifestation skills and taking action. These are the words that are popping in my head with the Magician card. And then we have the big leadership energy here, the Emperor. So you might be taking control of things, you might be establishing the structure, you might be having the great responsibilities, the higher responsibilities, and many of you might be getting promoted and you will be taking charge of a project or a team. Like previously, if you were not into a team handling profile, now you will be handling a team also. Your leadership qualities will shine, and you may even find yourself managing others. Okay, and it's a sign that the path ahead is leading you towards greater stability and authority at work. With the next card, I can see money, abundance, and long term success. Okay, I see some financial rewards coming your way, whether that's a raise, bonus, or even inheritance. Something positive will impact your financial life. That is heavily I'm seeing with Ten of Pentacles. And you might also start to feel like your career is more secure and there's a sense of longevity building here. You're putting the work in and it's paying off. Okay, good, good. And the people who are getting promotion, they'll be definitely getting the good hike also. So I see very good hike you are getting, and some of you are planning to buy a house or car or doing a huge investment, because ultimately your income is going to increase and that's how you are going to invest somewhere. I also see steady progress with the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, that you are going to make a slow and steady progress towards your career goals in the next 6 months. You may not see immediate big shifts, and that's okay. But everything you do in the next 6 months will be leading to steady growth and security, that is for sure. And have a practical approach if you want to achieve your goals. If you're looking to start a new project or to switch the jobs, you will make the necessary preparations before jumping in. Okay, it's because uh very necessary for you. So if you are thinking about switching the jobs, it's very important for you to make the necessary preparations before jumping in, before giving out your resume. Okay, it's very important because otherwise you will lose out some opportunities which are there in the market. Okay, so preparation is something which you should do. And here comes the most exciting part. And I can see the new beginnings here. Okay, you are taking a leap of faith, you are accepting the new opportunities, you are changing the jobs. Okay, if you're a businessman, you are investing somewhere, you are starting a new venture, you're thinking to add on some product or the services that you were providing before. This is what I'm seeing. And I see you either starting something brand new or stepping out of your comfort zone. And this could mean applying for a new job, switching careers, or even taking on a completely different role. I can see there are some people who are not satisfied with their role, and in the next 6 months, they would be doing something different altogether. Okay. Whatever it is, don't hold back, and this new chapter has amazing potential to bring joy and excitement into your career. Okay. Pile one. So I can say that pile one, you are stepping into a period of growth, leadership, and abundance in your career over the next 6 months. The cards are telling me that you are going to take control of your career, gain more financial stability, and experience new beginnings that excite you. Keep your eyes open for new opportunities. Preparation is must. And whether it's a promotion, raise, or a career shift, you are about to shine in ways you might not have even imagined. Stay focused, trust yourself, okay? And you have this great career growth that is coming in the next 6 months. Good luck to all of you. Okay, pile two. So, if you picked pile two, the cards are showing a period of change, some challenges, but also a lot of personal growth and self discovery. We have the Tower card, the High Priestess, the Ace of Cups, Seven of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, the Tower, now this card is really intense, okay? It brings sudden changes and shocks. But don't worry, it's a necessary card for clearing the way. I see that there might be a big change in your career that shakes things up. This could be a job loss or a restructure at your workplace or some unexpected event that makes you reassess your career. Okay, I can see a lot of people who are not satisfied with the way their manager are leading. Okay, some people are not getting the promotions also. Some people are not getting the hike also. Some people are not getting the right kind of projects. Okay, so this is the current energy which I'm sensing. Okay, it's time to let go of what no longer serves you, and although it might feel uncomfortable at first, but this change will open the new door to new and more better opportunities in the long run. Okay, and even though you're not satisfied with your job, you are not coming out of your comfort zone. You're not started looking for a job change or something to make shift within your career because you are too much comfortable with whatever you are doing here. And after the shakeup, we have the priestess, and that is intuition and reflection. And this card is telling me that you should trust your inner wisdom. In the next 6 months, you might feel the need to take a step back, listen to your gut, and reflect on what you truly want from your career. Okay, self reflection is must here, and it's a time to connect with your deeper desires and not just to go after what others expect of you. So that is very important. Okay, ask yourself what you want in your career. Whatever you are doing, are you satisfied with that? This is the question you should ask. Okay, and trust your intuition about what's right for you moving forward. Then we have the beautiful card, and that is the Ace of Cups. Okay, the emotional fulfillment is coming into your career in the next 6 months. This is what I can see. A new career opportunity is coming, and that is in alignment with your passion or a project that brings you joy and satisfaction. You may also feel more emotionally connected to your work, leading to a more joyful experience in your day to day tasks. If you have been feeling a bit burned out or disconnected, this is the refreshing energy with Ace of Cups that you need to feel recharged and excited about your work again. Then we have the very sneaky energy, deceptive energy, Seven of Swords. Hmm. For some of you, your manager or your anybody in your team might be taking the credit of your work. There could be someone who is not being honest at your workplace, or you may be feeling the need to keep things under wraps for a while. Okay, a lot of gossip is going on, and right, belittling is going on. People are behaving rude. Okay, be cautious of people who might not have your best interest at heart or situations where things feels off. Trust your intuition if you feel like there's something you are not being told. Okay, and stay away from such people who gives you the negative vibes, or those who are not being honest, those who are involved in the deception or a sneaky behavior at your workplace. Okay, and stay alert, I would say, with Seven of Swords. Stay alert and not let anything slide under the radar. Please stay alert. Okay, with the Ten of Wands, I can see that you might feel burdened or overwhelmed by your responsibility in the next 6 months. You could be juggling multiple tasks, or maybe you're feeling like you are taking on too much. Delegate the responsibility, seek help if needed. While the workload might be heavy, it's important to manage your stress and avoid burning out. You have the strength to push through, but be mindful of your health, mental health, and well being. Okay, that is very important for you. Pile 2. Pile 2, I can see that the next 6 months will bring some unexpected changes to your career for sure, but don't worry, these changes are ultimately clearly clearing the way for new opportunities and emotional fulfillment. Okay, and welcome the change, trust your inner wisdom, keep an eye out for new opportunities, but be prepared at the same time. Okay, and be cautious, be alert of the sneaky behavior at work, very, very important for you. You may feel a bit overwhelmed, so be sure to take care of your mental and emotional health while managing your responsibilities. Okay, so these were the energies we had for pile 1 and pile 2. If it resonated with you, let me know in the comment section. And lots of love.